name is Ahmed from Anest Iwata, South Africa. Let me touch base a little bit of the history of my company. Anest Iwata is a Japanese coating equipment manufacturer with over 95 years experience in industrial. As a global brand, we aim to deliver the most advanced and latest spraying equipment. Our range of products varies from several spray gun lineups, manual, automatic, paint feeding equipment, pressure pots, accessories, and more. Here in South Africa, we have been supporting our clients since 2012. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the Katana. This brand new gun was named as Katana, which means sword in Japanese, with the wishes that many of our clients can enter new markets with this product. Katana was developed at one of Anest Iwata factories in China and released in 2019 under Air brand. Air is one of Anest Iwata brands mainly focusing on entry-level equipment. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Air Katana 13C, which is an entry-level gun, but it comes with amazing spraying capabilities. I would like to briefly explain the main features of this gun. This gun has a standard 1.3 nozzle together with a 600mm gravity cup. The fan pattern is 15 cm according to OEM specifications, but it can reach up to 23 cm easily. The gun weight is only 420 grams, which enable the painter to keep spraying quality constantly. With those specifications, the gun can perform very well for primer and base coat application. Before you spray, you need to prepare a couple of things here. Gun with a paint in a cup. For today's trial, I'll use Tucson Solvent Blue paint. Air supply, very important as it can affect the gun performance and finishing quality. Please look at this. This is called Pressure Regulator. This tool basically controls the inlet air pressure for any level of painters. This tool is a must-have tool because without it, the spray performance will fluctuate depending on the incoming air pressure. Now I'm ready to paint. Set up trigger by adjusting the needle fully in, and then rotate the needle adjusted 3 times backwards. Open the fan to the max. Add pressure accordingly to give an even atomization, anything from 1.8 to 3 bars. Measure distance approximately 16 cm away from the panel. First coat will be a mist coat, which is basically a light cover. Here you'll be able to see the fan pattern, and then allow flush off time plus minus 10 to 15 minutes. An aqua dry can also be used to speed up the process. Second coat to be done, which is called a wet coat. Allow flush off time plus minus 10-15 minutes. Again, you can use an aqua dry to speed up your process. Our final coat is called a drop coat. You can use the aqua dry again to speed up your process or wait 10 to 15 minutes. Once the paint is completely dry, it's ready to apply the clear coat. Now it's the time to use the cleaning process. Open lid and remove unused paint. Spray inside with thinners using a spray bottle. Release trigger pointing it into the basin, allowing the unused paint to flow through. Once the gun is completely empty, remove cup, air cap, nozzle and needle. Clean inside of the gun using a twisted cleaning brush. Ensure all the paint is removed. Use a normal standard brush to clean up air cap, cup, nozzle and needle. Rinse gun in all parts with clean thinners. Dry out all the parts using a nylon cloth. Do not use silk or cotton. Once cleaning is complete, start assembling the gun. Gun is now ready and clean for the next job. Thank you for your time today. It is our great pleasure to market this wonderful gun with Autoboy's team. I hope this trade-in presentation will add some value to your working environment. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your nearest Autoboy's branch or Anest Iwata. Please enjoy your katana. Anest Iwata, world leader in spray painting technology, dedicated and committed to customer satisfaction, quality and service.